Hey internet, Luke from the Bearded Chap. Today I'm going to be running through our sea salt texture spray. So our sea salt texture spray was developed over about 4 months from our in-house chemist Rob with a couple of key facts in mind. One, it needed to actually work because there's a ton of sea salt sprays out in the market that do not do anything except for dry your hair out and smell good. So that's one of the things we wanted to make sure that happened with our sea salt texture spray is that it actually worked, added a nice amount of grit just like you were hopping out of the surf, as well as giving you that volume and texture for all those styles of haircuts. So when we were developing this product, we developed it alongside some of our brand educators and ambassadors to make sure that we're actually getting results with adding grit and texture to your hair as well as volume. So some of the key features that our sea salt spray has in it is our proprietary blend of our brand new formula called Salt Grit. So you're getting that texture, grittiness just like you were coming out of the surf, but it's reworkable as well. Some of the benefits you're going to get when using it is not only can you apply it to curly hair, straight hair or light hair for that light messy look hold, but you can also use it as a precursor to blow drying or other styling products as well. When you're applying it, you can apply it to dry or wet hair. We recommend applying it to fairly well dry hair. Putting it in, if you have curly hair, you're scrunching it and just to define those curls, and it will dry completely natural if you don't want to blow dry your hair with a matte finish. If you're really wanting to get some real big texture and real big volume, we recommend using it with a hairdryer with a diffuser on it, and that will actually help, won't blow your hair away and be able to get those real voluminous and textured styles. The scent profile on our sea salt spray is Dark Vanilla and Oud Wood, so you get these beautiful cologne undertones to it, and it works fantastically in tandem with our hairstyling powder, which has got the tobacco vanilla scent. Absolute awesome combo to work together to get that real textured volume look and matte finish as well. So everything we do at the Bearded Chap is all about quality, so not what's only in the bottle, but how it's presented as well. So we chose a glass bottle, which is 150 ml. You should get almost 2 months worth of use out of this, and it's designed to be used every day to style as you will. If you do have any questions about our sea salt spray, jump online or hit the comments below. Our sea salt spray is available online through our website, thebeardedchap.com. Otherwise, you can visit any of our retailers, and if they don't have it in, you can ask for it. Anyway guys, I hope this gives you a little bit more information about our sea salt texture spray. We're super excited for this product. It's absolutely incredible and hope you enjoy it too.